Welcome to the Python data type factory. Every piece of data must go into the correct container. Numbers go in number boxes. Words go in text boxes. And true or false goes in truth boxes. Numbers belong to the integer data type. When Python sees numbers, it does math. 5 plus 5 becomes 10. Easy job for Python. Strings are text data. Strings don't do math. They simply join together. Python turns hello and world into one big message. String hello wants to join number 5. But one is text and one is math. Python stops the date immediately. That's a type error. When Python isn't sure what something is, it uses type to investigate. The scanner reveals the data type. And now you're officially a Python data type detective. Party popper. Python has different data types for different kinds of information. Integers store whole numbers and floats store decimal numbers. Strings store text, while Booleans store true or false values. Lists keep ordered collections of items. Dictionaries store information as key-value pairs. Sets keep only unique items. And tuples store ordered items that cannot be changed. Choose the right data type, and Python knows exactly how to work with your data. Snake sparkles.